So, back to the grind. So, it's Black Friday. That's right, the day after Thanksgiving. Got home Sunday night. Spent much of the day Monday at the DMV. Tuesday, I don't even remember, it was such a blur. Same thing Wednesday. Thursday was Thanksgiving, that's yesterday. I drove to Kingman in Arizona to visit family. That was awesome. And now, I spent the last 2.5 hours at, what do you call it, Speedco, getting a full service PM. That's an oil change and a chassis lube. Okay, battery died when I was in the middle of talking. Forgot what I was saying. But now I'm hooked up to the new trailer. And I have no idea what it is. It's awfully light. I'll bet it's not 20,000 pounds. So anyway, I was talking about the week, and so so I spent the last 2.5 hours before I got here at Speedco getting the long overdue PM service done. That's an oil change, chassis lube. I don't know what else. Is this stuff in your white kitty? You want me to move it? Is that it? There you go. Right. That's what I thought. It's like what cats do. They want out. They stand by a door. They want out. So then you open the door and they walk away. I guess they were just testing to see if you would open the door for them. Anyway, so we're here in North Las Vegas, and we are taking this load to Manteca, California, which is just south of Stockton, 3 or 4 or 5 miles. And we'll make this delivery tomorrow. And then pick up a load. Santa Clara, I think it is, which is near San Jose, which is at the south end of the Bay Area. And we'll take that load, pick that up tomorrow, and they'll deliver that load tomorrow. What's that noise? Heard a noise. Sounded like it might have been a tire issue. Anyway, tomorrow Saturday we'll pick that up. We'll deliver Monday morning in Arlington, Washington, which is north of between Everett and Mount Vernon, right on I-5. I know what that is. It's this concrete. Alright, we got to check out here and get our paperwork. Yeah, sometimes when you have an empty or a light loaded trailer, you get a lot of mystery sounds. Okay, we are ready to go. Yeah, I said this load was light. I said, I think less than 20,000 pounds, but I was thinking less than 15. And it is less than 15. It's like 14,300 something. Pretty light. Alright, let me put something in here first. Got 510 miles to go to get to where we're going. Manteca. I think that's a turning lane and rolling in. I don't even know. I don't even care. Alright, we're not going to do much filming today, that's for sure. I am going to run down to Gene. That is right on the California state line. I'm not planning to get fuel there, although I could. The plan is to get fuel at Kramer Junction in California. Well, just west of Barstow. I gotta look and see how I'm doing there on fuel. I can make it there, I'm sure. But I may just get fuel in Gene. I want to check prices. Generally, fuel is more expensive in California. But I have a bigger discount in California with Pilot. So diesel fuel here is $3.29. I assume that's the cash price. Gene will be similar. Might be a little bit more. On my shifting. Well, we're done for the day. Drove over 200 miles today after all the stuff we did in Vegas, including picking up this load. You know, we're at Kramer's Junction, which is at 395 in California Highway 58. So this is kind of where I wanted to get to, although I actually would have preferred to get to Bakersfield. That just would have been too much of a push. That's, I don't know how much farther that is from here. You know, maybe 100 miles, maybe not. Don't know. I'd rather do that drive in the day anyway. But we only have 315 miles to go to make this delivery tomorrow. And then however far it is over to Santa Clara to get that load. And I don't remember if that's a live load or a drop and hook. I think it's a live load. Let's see. Live load. Right. So, yeah, we got this guy here pulling next to me, pulling out. Oh, don't turn left. Don't turn left. He's turning left. Oh, he's got it made though. Anyway, I'm glad he's leaving. He's got a reefer, and so that's going to run off and on throughout the course of the night, which is not the end of the world. I mean, I used to do reefer, and I got used to it. But his reefer's smoking big time. In fact, I almost didn't back into the spot because it was blowing out so much gray smoke. It's burning oil. But he told me he was leaving, so I'm like, okay, well, I'll back in then, as long as you're leaving. So, anyway, so we got 350 miles left to do tomorrow to make this delivery, and we'll go on to the next thing. That's it. I'm calling it a night. If you like the videos, make sure to subscribe. And by all means, please share them with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and wherever else you share stuff. You never know who might be interested in seeing what it's like to live as an over-the-road truck driver. We'll pick this up in the morning.